In this session we're going to have a look at how you might refresh your screens within ScreenHaven. So let me click on ScreenHaven across here. Okay, we'll choose a user, say Jonathan Bell, come and view his presentation. It'll download his latest screens, and there we are. We're now at the very last one. Now, as we've seen before, what we're listing here is all the screens that this person has put up to the server, but it's actually cached them to our local hard drive here. So they're actually physically sitting on our hard drive. That's why we're able to scroll through them very quickly. Now down on the right hand side, as I scroll through, you'll see the number change. Now that isn't the number of screens you've got on, but that's an index number to accurately describe this particular image. So that way if somebody wants to make a particular comment, they can mention the screen number, as in this case 2070. Others can scroll to exactly that number and see exactly what it is that you're viewing that was previously recorded, sent up before. Okay. As we scroll to the right hand side, when we are at the very right hand side of the screen, then as the person sends more images up to the server, when they get downloaded, if we're at the very right hand side, they'll automatically update and view here. If we're anywhere to the left of the right hand side, then it'll keep on adding them and downloading them, but it won't automatically change the one we're currently viewing. Now you can see here periodically over in the left hand corner a little progress wheel will spin around as it goes to look, there we go, for more images on the server. If we, for whatever reason, don't want it to keep looking to the server, we can click on the pause button. What that will do is stop ScreenHaven from looking for more screens on the server just for the moment. For whatever reason, it might be because of the amount of bandwidth you've got. It could be the person has stopped loading new images. It could it could be that your network has gone down and you don't want error messages or something like that coming up saying that it's having a problem talking to the network. For whatever reason, you can click on the pause button. When you're ready, you can click on resume, and however many new ones were up on the server, as soon as it goes to check, it'll bring them down. Now the other thing that you'll notice as we scroll backwards and forwards is that this date and time will change. That is the date and time on the person's computer in their time zone when they took that photograph. When that screen image or photograph or whiteboard, whichever item that is, whenever that snapshot was taken, that's the date and time on their computer. So it will be relative to their particular time zone. So you can go through and see what happened in progress over time or over days for that particular user. So that is how you use the pause and refresh. If you want to change the time interval for how frequent it goes looking for the new images, you can right click on the picture itself, and you have a number of the same options listed here that are listed down below, but you have a new one called set refresh interval. If I choose that, you can see that at the moment it's checking for new images every 15 seconds. You can reduce that down to every 5 seconds or change it to a number higher if you'd like to. Okay, so that let's just change it. If I set it to 5, you'll see that this goes off and checks far more frequently, but there's little point in checking too frequently if the person is only sending up images from time to time. Okay, so that's how we use the scroll window and the index down here, the date and time, the pause and the refresh. The refresh, by the way, just does an instant lookup straight away. Okay, so that's how those functions work. I hope you find them useful. Thank you and goodbye.